Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. You guys are always welcome. So here we are again, guys, going to work another morning late again. You guys know how it is, no surprises there. We are about to go down into the underground parking, which quite frankly is the best thing since sliced bread. Especially when you have to deal with those winter conditions, this underground parking makes such a significant difference. So we have to take the elevator down and elevator up when we get back home in the evening. But we don't have to interact with the outside conditions, so which is pretty neat. So the underground parking, guys, we have to pay a little bit extra per month for it because yeah, it's not included in your rent, unfortunately. So the underground parking is for $60 per month. Look at nuts. Yeah, so this is what Grand Prairie is looking like this morning. So in case you guys are wondering what day it is, this is Wednesday morning, right? And this is now 5 minutes to 8. I'm not supposed to reach work at 8 o'clock. But I'm probably used to our being late every morning now because we can't seem to leave out on time, which is just a really, really bad habit where we really need to get started out. So the sun is shining this morning, another beautiful day. Not much smoke in the environment, which is good. They've been smoking us out for the past couple months, but so far so good. This is one of those beautiful days, so we give thanks for. Yeah, skirting the speed limit. The speed limit on this road is 50. I'm going 59. Okay, I don't know if I go 60. That's a ticketable offense. So I just go and rub the outskirts of the speed limit. Trying to catch all of the traffic lights before them catch me. But it seems like this traffic light, yep, no, almost. There we go. Almost catch the red light. But guys, make sure that you're not driving like me when you get to Canada, all right? So yeah, this is Nats and I getting in our morning reasoning. As per usual, this is our opportunity to get a little chatting in the morning going. I don't even remember what we're talking about. As a matter of fact, let me just stop the voiceover right here and see what we're talking about. It teaches about the importance of what we're talking about right now because different stories. One of the stories was about the trail of the pigs, rhyme and stuff like that. So it's very important to just build a good foundation and just keep building a foundation and then building up, rather than just rushing and build a house of straw or a house of whatever. Cause if the wolf comes, it's just gonna blow it down very easily. But right. Oh yeah, as you guys can hear, very, very engaging conversation we were having and pretending as if like she's not late for work. And ultimately, if she's late for work, I'm going to be late for work. The kids are, Malika's going to be late for school. But yeah, this is what no concern in the world looks like. Just doing what we have to do. Anyways, nonetheless, guys, we're just sharing some positive reaffirmation to each other. That's what we're doing because that's very important in the mornings. Make sure that you start today on a positive. Make sure that you encourage each other, build up each other, and just send some positive words, right? So that's pretty much what we're doing all throughout this trip to work while burning up the speed limit. Yes, so now we're at Nat's workplace. Look at her walking in, saying bye. Like say she at the boss and she not late, just walking like say or she own the place. And yeah, that's me backing out and I'm about to like skirt the speed limit again and go and drop off Malia and then Malika. You know the thing going in the morning time, guys. If you're watching this video, guys, and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please take a second to subscribe. Really, really helps it out. We are in the province of Alberta where there's two seasons, winter and construction season. So we are now in construction season, guys. So every other road have a big hole in it. So that's what we're seeing right there. This is a school zone. Don't exceed 30 kilometers per hour. Otherwise, a very expensive ticket is waiting on you in the mailbox. So now we are at the good old day home with this lovely one right here. Give thanks that we find a good day home, guys, because it's a challenge to find a good day home, but we've been really blessed and really lucky to have found this one. She takes very good care of Malia and Malika. It's not just somewhere to stay, she also teaches them. So big up yourself, Goody. Big up yourself, Jean. You know that the link is real. You understand, our third favorite Filipino. You know the thing. So yeah, this is it. Malia going in the morning. She's used to the routine right now. No crying, none of those anky panky. Goes in just fine. Let me see if I can tell her bye. Look at her. She's not even looking at me. But anyways, see her look more. Oh my God. Give thanks to life. Give thanks to health. Give thanks to strength. You know? Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful weather, guys. Yeah, just can't complain. Things might not be perfect, but we give thanks. Yeah, this is me and Malika now getting our one-on-one time every morning. We look forward to this time. We get to look what's a little reasoning, taking her to school, just letting her know that everything is all right. Daddy got her, 100%. Yeah, and this is just me, just a whole little vibes. I don't know, tuna chump, yeah, tuna beat. I don't remember which tune it was, but yeah, whatever song it was, yeah, that my rack to right here. So just taking Malika to school. She used to the Lord nights as well in the morning because from she then a belly. Yeah, we've been jumping tune. No man, I'm kinda take it too far now. I saw with that going on. But the song is really nice still with our like vibes in the morning. Just to make sure say we have the right energy, the right approach to take on the day. Because Wednesdays can be a very, very challenging day, guys. So I'm going to go on outside, I know. One of the best things about living in a small city, guys, is that there's no traffic. I don't even remember what traffic feels like. As I went, reach a Malika school, and there it is. Here I am trying to find parking. On the right, they say that it's staff parking, but yeah, them always have to kick me out. But yeah, there's some go park right over there, so it's a staff parking. Because I mean, it's only for a couple of minutes, right? So I'm gonna just catch a car right here, so take out Malika and then make a quick run for it. You understand what I think, guys? Yeah, see the cones? See the cones, mama? They're having a bike and scooter fest today. Yeah, that's what it is. See? Yeah. See, you guys got a full production going on today. Here I am just walking into my office, guys. 10 minutes late. No big deal. Putting on my bag, popping on my jacket. About to just do a quick little inspection of the office to see who is not here yet. Who for name I'm going to get right down today. Because if I am 10 minutes late, nobody else is supposed to come in after me. You understand? Boss move. No thing. Anyways, coming in now, about to sit down at my desk and just pretend to do some work. You know the thing, go click, 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 click. Make yourself look busy. Pretend like you're on a phone call throughout the day. So that anytime persons come, they'll be like, oh man, he's always busy. But really and truly, you're probably watching a favorite Adam Sandler movie. Probably just playing some solitaire. You know how it is, guys. Just click, 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 click until nothing is remaining in the keyboard, right? Anyways, I'm just joking, guys. This is me actually doing work. This is what I do most times. Plan for my day, make sure that everything is intact, and just keep it going. Yeah, this is a pretty high stress job. I'm not gonna lie, my job is very, very high stress, but at the end of the day, I'm grateful because I remember when this was just once a dream, and now it's a reality. So now I'm able to sit down right now, in a senior position, and just doing things on my terms. You understand? Anyways, this is me now going to pick up Malika. Lunchtime already. My lunchtime is spent picking up Malika. Beautiful day. The sun kind of look nice on my skin. Yep, shades up kind of thing. You know the thing, guys. Yeah, this is my good side, by the way. Yeah, holding the camera on my good side. Smash a like on the video if you guys agree. All right. So yeah, this is Malika now. They're having a little bike and scooter fest. That's Malika in the wagon being pulled by one of our classmates because Malika not dep on the bicycle thing. So she's just deciding that, you know what, I'm just gonna sit in the wagon. And now this is her turn to go to their home, right? So of course she now left her tablet. So I'm just gonna take her to Auntie Jean and leave her until it's after work. Okay, guys, let's interrupt the voice note session for a little while. I just want to say a huge thank you to all the new subscribers, persons who have just joined the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys for becoming a part of the Andersons family. You guys know how it is. Real authentic Canadian content, unfiltered. Really appreciate you guys being here. And I really hope that you guys find some value that will cause you guys to stay here. But most importantly, share so that other persons can become a part of the family. Really appreciate it. If you haven't liked this video already, guys, what are you waiting on? No more 1,000 views and 50 likes. Come on, man. Hit that like button. It's free, guys, and it literally only takes a second. Really helps me out. Alright? Yes, guys, so in case you can't tell, this is now the end of the day. And I'm now here with my favorite person in the whole wide world. This is the highlight of my day, getting to, you know, connect back with my wife and my daughters and just spend the rest of the evening. That's it. So we're at the day home right now picking up the kids. Yeah, this is Flynn. Flynn is always playing with nuts. I like him like I wrote. Watch him too, no? Anyways, this is Malia and Malika. Oh my God, they're so excited to see their father. They're their favorite parent. Can you guys tell? Look at Malika just trying to push her mother out the way if you come to me. Yeah, but Nuts is just blocking her. That is around the steering again. Super focus. The only way she gonna get it is by doing it. Is by doing it. So every evening she's the one who drives home, and you know, just so she can get more comfortable around the steering. So far so good, lots of improvement. Yes, guys, it's been a while since we've been to Walmart. I feel like it's been like a couple weeks or probably a couple months. But anyways, we're just running in to grab a few items. Not a grocery shopping vlog, promise you guys, it's not. But you know when your groceries running a little bit low and you just want to top up back with, you know, the essentials and stuff like that, that's what we're doing. They're being pushed by their second favorite parent, that's how it is, but they can't stop looking at their father, their favorite parent, as you guys know already. So now we're in Walmart, just gonna be grabbing a few items quickly, and then we're gonna be going home. Thank you guys for coming along on the journey. You know how it is. We really appreciate the love. And for all of you guys who are here, make sure that you hit that like button. Saying it again. So guys, we have made it to the end of this totally random video. Thank you guys so much for coming along on the journey. If you have made it this far, as I said, take a second to like the video. If you like the video, like the video. As I said, if we get 1,000 views, we want 1,000 likes. That's what we want. Only take a second. Wasn't a bad day today. How was your day today?
It was good.
Was good? For me, it was a very busy day. If you're seeing this in the morning, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you're seeing this at night, hopefully you guys had a wonderful day. And if you're seeing this in the afternoon, hopefully your day is going fantastic, right? Thank you so much, guys, for the love. Thank you guys so much for the support. We are home right now. It's been a full day. You guys have been along for most of the journey today. Went to Walmart, grab a few stuff. Nothing really. It's not a grocery shopping vlog, but we just grab a few items, you know, to kind of like stack up, especially fruits. Cause trust me, this one especially around here, so look at her. So all the persons who are saying that, oh, Malia looks so quiet, Malia doesn't, look at her. Where's her shoes, Malia? I don't even know where her shoes is. Anyways, she eats absolutely nothing else but fruit. Well, she eats everything, but fruits is our favorite. Fruits is our favorite, so we have to go and get fruits. Finally catching our dirty wheels on the camera. But anyways, guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.